which would you rather have? These nice medical batteries, which are pre-made, have the most awesome BMS ever like imaginable inside. You can see Will Prowse took one of these things apart at one point. It's extremely high quality, even if they're used. 60 bucks, 40 amp hours, 12 volts. So I've put them in 2 series, 3 parallel configuration, so 3P2S effectively as at the battery level. So it's 24 volt, 24 volts, 24 volts, and then tied them parallel, connected with 175 Anderson connector. So 40, 80, 120 amp hours at 24 volts. That's a significant amount of energy. Another set of 6 of these go down there instead of these NMH batteries. Only $60. If you had 10 of these, that would be as big as a rack battery. It's 5 kilowatt hours. Now compare that to kind of half sketchy homemade NMH battery. Even if you have the nicest JK BMS and whatnot on it, still sketchy homemade NMS or NMC batteries. I'm now thinking it's not worth it. Even though these are cheap, these are like 40 bucks a pop per module, and these are, well, when brand new, 500 watt hours per module, except they're about 40-ish% state of health or worse, so really maybe only 200 watt hours per module. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 1.2 kilowatt hours. Except it's a little bit different than that. This module here is not that different from 2 of those green batteries, and the cost is about the same. So it seems like NMC no longer makes any sense as a DIY.